Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it's important to see that we did get a nice break of structure up, and this was at a Fibonacci level, which I already removed, but it also happened after 1, 2, 3 waves down. So you would expect to either see another 1, 2, 3 waves down for like a double three pattern, and then maybe down again, or possibly more likely a 1, 2, 3 pattern, which would eventually go up and take out these previous highs. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks to be like a downtrend. It looks like it potentially is like a wave A, which means that this move up right here possibly is just a pullback to the move down like a wave B. So if that's the case, well, I actually got to kind of zoom out a little bit so we can see the Fibonacci. So if that's the case, then we're likely in a wave B, and I would expect this wave B to go someplace between the 38 and possibly the 78% Fibonacci retracement. I think the 50 and the 61 are pretty likely areas. If it goes up to one of these levels, makes an engulfing move to the downside, it possibly will go down for like a wave C, and this will likely be a three-way pullback to the daily time frame uptrend for either a wave B or possibly a wave 2. Either way, it doesn't really matter because we would trade a wave B and a wave 2 exactly the same. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.